At first I was like, okay, like 1-2 weeks, like we can weather this storm, and I'm happy to do free classes. So many people are watching them. But then it starts to look more like, no, it's going to take longer. So you have to be a business and you have to stay viable. And with all the suggestions from people and all the requests from where we pay, then the next step was to just have people use their membership. So literally sign into a class and take it through their membership with us. So that's where we are right now.
Hi everyone, Ita here. We have a new announcement based on the requests from the governor.
So people know that this is it for us. People know that this is how we make our living. This is what we do. And not just for myself and, my other business with my husband, but like all over town, there's all these vulnerable places that you stop and you think, well, do I want to walk downtown without this business or that business there? Like, it's the things that you take for granted that you're starting to like realize how much you appreciate them in your environment. I am blessed beyond measure by the village that I have, the support that I have, where I am really not worried about not being open at the end of this. My only worry is that I am providing them good service while we are going through this, because they've shown me that they want this to be here when this is all said and done. This opportunity to continue your practice online is a challenge in its own, right? Because you're not in the environment that you're used to. You don't have all the people around you kind of keeping a check of, you are there, right? It is your own accountability coming to your mat and taking care of you. So that's a choice that you are now having to make for yourself. I am going to make time. I'm going to set up my routine. I'm going to find my spot in my house, make sure my dogs, my kids leave me alone for that time. And it gives you that opportunity to come back and check in with yourself and make those mental choices for yourself to take care of yourself. So like that's right now I am in this situation, and it's just a hard yoga pose. It's not going to last forever. I am making choices to adjust to the situation. And with those choices, I'm going to come out of it strong and healthy and better. It's a different situation, and I'm going forward. And the support of everyone has been, the engine behind, or the push behind what's making me keep going. We have one life to live, and hopefully one coronavirus pandemic in our lifetime to go through. Don't wait for another situation to shake you into go for your dreams. Like if you have dreams that are other than the job that you had, there's no better time. And, you're never going to know if you're going to be successful in business if you don't try. You never know if you're going to be failing in your business if you don't try. Start small, start conservative, right? You don't have to have a royal palace to open up the doors for people. People are grateful for good service. People are grateful for a good product. Start small, figure out your path, what it is that you want, and go for it. This just, we are here once. So make the most of that.